DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D. Looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so nappy, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is children on that cartoon. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today I'm going to be installing some crochet braids. I will be using this hair glance braid 3 times, hair that dazzles, wavy feathered twist, 16 inches in the color 2. So yeah guys, I have that, and I will be using a crochet needle or a latch hook, as well as some water for my edges and some Lotta Body coconut and shea oils control me edge gel. So yeah guys, I'm basically just going to be installing this hair, showing you all the process. This is my braid pattern that I used, as you can see on the screen. But yeah guys, basically that's all I'll be doing in this particular video, is installing this hair because I really wanted a protective style. So yeah guys, so just an FYI, I did just wash my hair and condition it. My hair has been moisturized and oiled, and then I proceeded to doing these braids. So just to let you know, yes, my hair is clean, my scalp is clean, all of that. So yeah guys, if y'all are interested in seeing me install these crochet braids, then please stay tuned. Right here guys, I have completed doing the back of the head and majority of the sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed on with doing the top of my head. And I do want to let you guys know that I did buy 5 packs of hair, but as you can see, it's 3 times the amount in each pack. So I only ended up using about 3 and a little bit out of the 4th pack. I do have a rather large head, so, and the other thing, I don't like really being able to see the cornrow in between my braids, so I try to put them rather close together unless I'm just being lazy. But yeah, so you may not need that many depending on the size of your head. So you know, just an FYI once again. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to proceed on with installing these crochet braids. So right here, guys, we are basically on the last row, and I slowed this down just so anyone who is interested in seeing exactly how I did this, you'll be able to see now in slow motion how I install these actual crochet braids. And once we're done installing these last few braids, we're going to move on to doing the edges. And like I said, that's where the water comes in, as well as the lotta body. Coconut and shea oils control me edge gel come in handy. I really like using this edge gel because it really holds down the hair nicely, and it doesn't you know, run once it gets hot, like out in the sun. And also because it doesn't turn white and cakey and flaky. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in these last few clips. So yeah, guys, this is the final results. This is how the hair is looking. This took about an hour and a half to install these crochet braids, and in a moment I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. It's really full, and these should last me at least a couple of weeks, I'm hoping, if it's not too itchy. These are very lightweight. So yeah, guys, with that being said, I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D. Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tacky.
Yo,
yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
the infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, he won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally